Hello kids, we are starting a new book today which is Effective English, a textbook of English Reader Class 3. So this is chapter number 1, The Balloon Man, which is a poem. Okay, so start up. We'll just read this. Rose Emmy Feldman, 6 March 1877 to 1 August 1957, was an English writer and poet, noted for her works on fairies for children. The Balloon Man is the poem about a girl's fascination with a balloon man she sees at the market. The poem describes the man's colorful balloons and the girl's wish to see them released to fly in the sky. जो रोज एमी फेलमन है उनका बर्थ 6 मार्च 1877 में हुआ एंड शी डाइड इन 1 अगस्त 1957. ये एक इंग्लिश राइटर एंड पोएट है. वो अपने वर्क के लिए जानी जाती है ऑन फेरीज फॉर चिल्ड्रन. ओके, एंड बलून मैन एक पोएम है उनकी अबाउट अ गर्ल फैसिनेशन बलून मैन के लिए जो उसे मार्केट में देखती है. ओके, एंड पोएम डिस्क्राइब करती है कि जो बलून मैन है उसके पास कलरफुल बलून्स हैं एंड गर्ल चाहती है, उसकी विश है कि वो सारे जो बलून हैं एक बार रिलीज हो जाए और फ्लाई हाई करे स्काई में. ओके, we'll just read this poem. Reading skill. He always comes on market days and holds balloon a lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green. So ये बात हो रही है बलून मैन की. ही मतलब बलून मैन के लिए यूज किया है कि वो हमेशा मार्केट डेज में आता है, जब मार्केट लगती है तभी आता है. एंड उसके हाथ में बहुत सारा बंच होता है. होल्ड यानी कि पकड़ना. बहुत सारे बलून्स के बंच को वो पकड़ के रखता है एंड जो मार्केट स्क्वायर है वहां पर वो खड़ा हो जाता है. ओके, एंड वो कभी लंच के बारे में नहीं सोचता उस समय. ओके, वो खड़ा रहता है एंड उसके पास जो बलून्स होते हैं उनके कलर भी हमें बताए, डिस्क्राइब किए, रेड, पर्पल, ब्लू, ग्रीन. ओके, देन and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away and some are big and some are small. So next they are telling कि जब sunny day होता है यानी कि धूप ज़्यादा तेज होती है तो जो कार्ट्स होते हैं लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं उनके बीच में. ओके, बट वो जो बलून्स होते हैं वो दूर से ही शाइन करते हुए दिखते हैं. ओके, एंड कुछ होते हैं बिग, कुछ होते हैं स्मॉल. Okay, then all tied together with a string, and if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday perhaps he'll let them go, and we will see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. So आगे further बताते हैं कि सब जो balloons हैं वो string से यानी कि thread से बंधे हुए हैं. तो जब थोड़ी सी भी हवा आती है तो वो ऐसे लहराने लगते हैं. ओके, एक दूसरे से ऐसे टकरा के लहराने लगते हैं. फर्दर बच्चा आगे चाहता है कि ऐसा एक दिन आए जब वो उन्हें जाने दे यानी कि बलून्स को छोड़ दे. ओके, एंड हम उन्हें ऊपर उड़ते देखना चाहते हैं. मतलब वो जो बच्ची है वो ऊपर उड़ते हुए उन बलून्स को देखना चाहती है एंड वहां पर खड़ी होगी नीचे से, बिलो ग्राउंड में से देखेगी उनको स्काई में जब वो प्रिटी लगेंगे. प्रिटी यानी कि ब्यूटीफुल लगेंगे. ओके, दिस पोएम वाज रिटन बाय रोज फ्लेमन. ओके, नाउ वर्ड मीनिंग. फैसिनेशन मीन्स द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग इंटेंसली, मतलब किसी की तरफ प्रभावित होना, आकर्षित होना. ओके, देन होल्ड, टू कीप समथिंग इन अ सर्टेन पोजीशन, यानी कि किसी चीज को पकड़ कर रखना, एक ही पोजीशन में रखना. विंड, एयर दैट इज मूविंग अक्रॉस द अर्थ सरफेस. विंड यानी कि जो हवा बह रही है अर्थ सरफेस पर. ओके, एंड प्रिटी मीन्स ब्यूटीफुल, सुंदर. ओके, सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस, NEP 2020 and NCF 2023 speaking skill. Answer the following questions orally. Question 1, how high can balloons fly? The answer would be the balloons can fly high in the sky. Okay. Question 2, what do you like about this poem? The answer would be This poem describes the excitement and fascination of a child towards balloon, and she wants to see the balloon flying high in the sky from the below ground. Okay. Question 3. Where does the balloon man stand? The answer would be the balloon man stand in the market square. Okay. Question 4. What happens to the balloons when there is a wind? The answer would be when there is a wind, the balloons would fly high in the sky. Okay. Now written question A. Complete the poem. So here you need to complete the poem. Some words and phrases are missing. You can copy those phrases and words from the poem itself. You can do this question by yourself. Okay, I'll just read this part. They are red and purple, blue and dash, and when it is a dash, the dash and people get between. You see them dash far away. Okay, you can do this question by yourself. B. Write true or false against the following statements. First, the balloon man comes every day. Balloon man हर रोज आता है. False. Second, the balloon man stays in the market square. जो balloon man है वो market square में रह जाता है. True. Third, the balloon man brings balloons of many colors. जो balloon man है काफी सारे colors के balloon लाता है. True. Fourth, the balloons are of different sizes. जो balloons होते हैं different size के हैं. True. Fifth, the poet hopes that someday the balloon man would release them. Poet hope करती है कि एक दिन जो balloon man है सबको release कर देगा balloons को. That is true. C. Match the rhyming word. Okay, we need to match the rhyming words. A column, B column. First, days and stays, fourth one. Second, bunch, lunch, fifth one. Third, day, away, second one. Fourth, string, thing, first one. Fifth, high, sky, third one. Okay, we are done with this. D. Answer the following questions. Question 1. When does the balloon man come? The answer would be the balloon man come when there is market days. Okay. Question 2. Where does the balloon man stay? The answer would be the balloon man stays in the market square. Question 3. What happens when there is a wind? The answer would be when there is a wind, the balloons would fly high in the sky when the balloon man releases them. Okay. Question 4. What does the child like to see the balloon man do? The answer would be the child like to see the balloon man one day would release all of the balloons in the sky. Okay. And she wants to see them fly high in the sky from the below ground. Okay. Words power. A. Use the following words in your own sentences. First, market. Tomorrow I will visit market with my mother. Second, bunch. There are bunch of keys on the table. Third, lunch. Lunch time is over. Fourth, string. The kite has a string. Fifth, pretty. She is a pretty girl. B. Identify the words from the jumbled letters and write the word in given space. Okay, we have to unjumble these words and we have to write them properly. Okay, so first, this word, correct word is balloons. Then second, this word, the correct word is lunch. Then third, this word, correct word is blue. And the fourth one, this word, correct word is people. Fifth, this word, correct word is blowed. Then sixth one, this, correct word is cart. See, write antonyms of the following words. Okay. First, lovely, ugly. Second, sunny, rainy. Third, day, night. Fourth, small, big. Fifth, tide, released. Sixth, high, low. Seventh, stand, sit. Eighth, pretty, ugly. Creative skill NEP 2020. How many colors can you find hidden in this maze? So, maze given है and हमें colors find out करने हैं जो इसमें hidden है. One is already given to us, blue. Okay, we'll find rest of them. So first one I can see is white, then red, then there is green, then there is yellow, there is pink as well, and violet. Similarly, you can find the remaining ones by yourself. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.